Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. I have a good news to all traders because we have updated all our MT4 and MT5 system to a higher performance and a strategy that is beyond CMC, smart money concept. And I'm going to prove in this video and to show you the importance now of having our system and how we have updated and why. The reason why I'm saying it is more than, or it's beyond, or it is advanced. Sorry, it is advanced more than CMC traders or strategies. Okay, guys. So I'm going to use these simple charts here to show you the way our system looking like for instance, this is the CHF JPY, and this was our 4 hours targets areas where we were targeting the zones for our support and resistance. But we have updated and realized that we were losing a lot of money, or we were missing, not losing, missing a lot of money when the market's here, because the EA, it would have picked the trades here, or at this point, this is where the market, the EA would have picked the trades. And you can imagine from all the way from here to here, and let me see how many pips are here. More than 37 pips were missing, my friend, before the trade, the EA picked the trades from this point to here. And you can see there was a reversal from all the way from here to here before market again went to this place, turning back to here. There was another entry here. You can see all this one when, let's say, for instance, when the market is reversing from this point after picking the trades, there was a reversal. This is still a drawdown. But this time around, I will see you why I'm saying that this EA now, or our EA, MT4 and MT5, they are more advanced in picking trades professionally more than smart money concept. Let me show you here. This is the CHF JPY minute 5. Let's go to the same CHF JPY with our new look systems or updated system. So the same minute 5. Now, I just want to show you a good example in this pair why I'm saying that this our system, whether for manual, I will share a lot of details with our manual to trade beyond CMC or smart money concept, and you will trade more than the advanced, what's so-called advanced CMC. Our system now, it's killing it, my friend, and I will be sharing also the result from our live account, even trading manually, and make sure you have our system. Let me show you why this system is trading beyond the CMC trading strategies. All right, here we can see we are in minute 5 here. We can see how the box was, and I'm saying that we were missing a lot of money at this point. And as you can see here, we are in a downtrend because we are already in this zone resistant. And trust me not, here there was a sell, because according to our EA, after touching this area, it will wait for only 2 candles, then sell. And according to this area, the market sold and went all the way to here. And we believe that this market will drop. All right, so this one can be a drawdown, all right, before this market dropping, because the EA picked the trades earlier. At this point, it's sell. And the other thing, you can see there was a buy here at this point, that is in our old looks or in our old EAs. At this point and this point and again this point, and you can see there was a lot of consolidation, blah blah blah. Market was not yet deciding where to go up, blah 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 blah. But when we come to this point, our new look now, you can see this is our POI, the point of interest. You can see the support is here. This one, my friend, it is here, not even here. So this EA now, it can pick the trade from the POI zone. Why am I calling this POI? If you have been using the smart money concept, I just want to pay attention, because we believe in what we do, because you can't code the EAs or the strategies without knowing how to trade even manually. So the reason why we have advanced beyond CMC, because the CMC strategies is people make money with the CMC and some lose the money. But I want to give you what you already know, so that you can understand that our EA now picks the trades more than advanced CMC. Now, we all know, for those people who work with advanced CMC, there is a breakup here, because here people, the CMC normal traders, they were expecting market to sell at this point. All right, because after the breaking of BOS of the structure here, you can see the people, we have our first, what we call it, first zone or order block at this point. We have the next one here, where some will say, oh, this is a reliable area, so we can sell to this point, because after breaking, after having the BOS here, we do believe the market will reverse to here. And you can see it is true, but that is the CMC trap. You can see, guys, the market has reversed and hit people's stop loss at this point, because this is where your selling limit should be, all right? But they sweep your stop loss, and then the market deceived people like it want to drop. All of a sudden, the market went up. And here, it is what we call the CMC trap. And people lose their money here, yet they were confident that this market will sell at this point according to this BOS. All right, guys, but you can see our EA sell buy from this point. There was a good buy here. Instead of selling, it knew that it is a buy, not a sell. I'm not trapping anybody. I know I'm talking to people who have been practicing the CMC. All right, guys, is there not a sell at this point? Let me show you something here, because some must believe after seeing the order block. There is an order block here. All right, this is our last candle, guys. All right, there is a good one here that we should sell this market at that point. Just to show you something here, because some must see the order block at this point. All right, sorry. Yeah, this is a good order block that shows a good sell at that point. All right, guys. So, and this is why you can see here, they swept people stop loss at this point. They sweep your stop loss and deceive others that the market is dropping, then the market went up. All right. Do you believe you can see what I'm saying here? You can see what I'm saying here. They sweep your stop loss, then the market deceived people like it's dropping, then it went up. But our EA buy at this point. Let me show you the other thing. After the breaking of this structure, we were expecting the market to come again to this level in order to buy. I will show you this in our advanced now manual system, the Nairobi TFX manual system, how you'll be buying this professionally without these guys trapping you, because there is a buy here at this point. Where we are seeing there is a buy here, because the market broke this this support here. Let's call the change, like there was a change of character here, or the break of BOS. That's according to you, but I will train you on our manual training course for free, guys, after having our system. Here we know after the market breaking this structure, at this point, the market will reverse either to this point or to this point. You know, we have the engineer liquidity area, and then the market will go up. Not selling, up now, after trapping the sellers. And this is why you are seeing that our market buy into this area. After breaking this structure, it came all the way almost to our engineer, and then the market went up and the EA buy from this area. In our old look, you can see the EA can sell in the sold at this point, but the market continue going up, detecting that this is a resistance. Yes, it is a resistance zone, but not yet complete, my friend, not in our POI. Yet it is a resistance zone where we're expecting to sell. And you can see in our new look, it is still waiting for this market to get into our POI. Why am I calling this again the POI, the point of interest, where we're expecting again the EA to sell to this point again before the market continue going up? The reason why I'm saying this is the POI after the breaking. After the breaking of this structure, you can see there is a lot into to this point. After the breaking of this structure, every time the market break anything, whether it is internal structures, whether it is major structures, the market must reverse. This is why this market, this one is reversing to this point again. Again, this market will sell, or it will touch this area, then the market will drop before creating another buy. So this tells us it can reach into this point, because this is where the engineer liquidity is before getting into this POI or extreme supply zone. Then the EA can sell, or it can touch here and then market drop before creating another buy. Then it can continue buy. So this is why our advanced now, it will be more profitable than ever, because we have coded with more than advanced CMC trading style or strategies. I think you can see the difference. So let's go again to USD/JPY here and learn again the same thing. Let us learn from this point. There is a sell here. There is no sell. It's looking a buy. It wanted to buy at this point, and you can see there is no any entry here, because there is no any good signal here for buy. But there is a good preparation was here for buy, but the market drop again here, waiting for the second candle, but the market dropped. But when we come to our new look now, the same USD/JPY minute 5, the same USD JPY minute 5, we would have already hit our 48 pips. While in our old one, there was still no entry here, but it was preparing to make sure 2 candles closes above our resistance here, our support here, or our demand before this market buying. So you can see you'll get the market at the right time, right? The right time, and you can see this is the engineer zone before getting into extreme. Why? The same thing broke at this area, went to the extreme, and the market dropped and trapped all the CMC traders. But you can see our EA waited to this area into engineer, and it picked trades from there, and you already almost to 50 pips, that is 48 pips, and you would have been banking this money. In case of anything, if this market can drop, it will drop now to our POI, the point of interest, then it will be a good buy. So guys, you can see the difference now from our old. Let me show you something here, because you must get this, guys. You must get this. Let me go back again here to this point. You can see there was a sell here, but the market went all the way. This is a small a drawdown, then the market dropped. It is true, it was going like that, and again, now we are avoiding any drawdown like this drawdown before market dropping. Yes, the signal was so accurate, because this is a resistance and this is a zone, but you can see in our new look, it won't buy sell at this point. It will sell at extreme or engineer, then this market drop. So this mean when some were experiencing the drawdown of 76 pips, our EA would have been giving you the 75 pips profit before this EA, our old EA, sell into this area. You would have already banked 75 pips before getting into entry in our old. So this is why our new one becomes more profitable, because it gets trades in only POI zones. All right. not just jumping or any zone. It will get into the market at the right area, and before our old one gives you money, you would have already banked 75 pips at this point before selling at this area. So this means you can let's say for instance you enter into this market and the old one entered here. Before the old one gives you some pips like 50 pips, here you would have banked 186 pips. You see, the reason why we advanced, we want you to get money early as possible and the EA to get into the market at the right time and avoid all these big zones, avoiding all these big zones and enter the market at the right zone. All right, guys, let's again go to our Euro JPY. There is something that is very important I want to share with you here. See, guys, the market from here to these points, it is 74 pips. This market, let me zoom here. I just want to be honest with you how the EA are working and the reason why you will bank a lot of money. The EA picked the trade here for sell because this is a resistance or a supply. There was a sell because you can see there is two candles closed below this area. Then the market dropped all the way like 30 pips, again gives us the drawdown of 76 before the market dropped all the way. It was not a wrong signal, but it entered into the market very early. All right, and you can experience the drawdown of 76, but because it is a resistance zone, the market dropped all the way from that area to this area and give you almost 100 pips. But with our new looks, I want you to check this very correctly because I always want to be honest with you. There was a drawdown of 75 pips, but in our new look, there is no any entry here until into this point. Then the market will enter the market, or the EA will enter the market at the right time from that place to this place. Perfect, simple as that. Instead now of getting the drawdown, you'll be getting the profit. Why am I saying that? Let's say for instance, this is minute 5. All right, guys, let us insert our TFX Pips Hunter and see what is going on at this area. Right? You can see there is an entry here, dropped all the way to this point. Perfect. This is why I'm telling you that our EA now will give you a good one. Let's go back even to our golden, our alpha gold. You can see the same thing because the EA can only enter the market on the POI areas, not to get into the market earlier at this point. So you can see there was no a sell at this point, but it was holding this buy all the way from here to here. While, guys, you can see for yourself. Now let's go back. Let's say, assume now you are trading gold using the same system. You can see this box, it is the area, it is the zone, it is the supply zone and the demand zone. But you can see the size of this box was so big, and this is supply and demand zone from 4 hours time frame. So if you jump to our 4 hours, it is exactly area. But even if you go to minute 5, it is still the same area. It's a non-repeating indicators. But guys, with our advanced one, you can see there was no sale from this point to here. Buy, sorry, not buy, not sell, buy. There was no buy at this point. The E8 picked the trade from this point now all the way to this area and give you like 93 pips. But with our new looks, you can see it got into the market at the right time. And let's say, for instance, we missed some pips from this area to this point. We missed like 100 pips. But when we working with our new looks now system, all that 100 pips you would have bank before our old one decide to buy at this point. And you can see it is true, it is a demand zone because the EA the market went into our resistance, then from our resistance again trying to see to check our support again. So it is a right signal, but we want to avoid any drawdown and we want to get into the market at the right point. All right, guys, at this point the market went all the way from here and you can bank almost 200 pips. Yet with the old one, you would have only bank from this point to here, 90 pips, and miss all these 110 pips. All right, guys, so you can see that our advanced, or why you need our advanced system, because it's beyond, and I'm repeating this, is beyond the CMC trading. Let me show something here, because you must know that I have learned about the CMC, advanced the CMC, and those are the stuff that help us advance our system for what works in the market, for what is profitable in the markets. Because if you know how to trade the CMC, the advanced CMC, you will be a very, very profitable in Forex market. But if you don't know that, my friend, I'm very, very sorry. Now, let me show something here why our EA are so interesting. Let's go to our Pips Hunter. Our Pips Hunter at this level. Let me show something here. Now, you can see there was a BOS at this area. What do you expect after the BOS? We expect the market to come to our POI or to our engineer liquidity, and our engineer liquidity is here. I want to zoom it so that, guys, you can see it correctly. Don't say, oh, my friend, I don't see. No, you must see it. What is this? Let me show something here. It is good to prove that we know what we are doing. This is our engineer zone. All right, guys, this is our engineer zone. I do believe you can see it. And let us draw our zone correctly. The last candle, the last sell candle before hitting our POI. This is our engineer. And for those people who trade the advanced one, we always check for this candle. All right, this candle is very important. I will show you this in our manual trading. This candle is so this is our engineer liquidity to this area. So let me show something here. Let me draw to that point. So into this point, this is our engineer liquidity. And you can see the market came and hit this area. And it's telling you, in case it broke this area and touched the extreme, the EA will be ready again to buy this market. The Fibonacci of our Pips Hunter will buy here. In case it comes to this point, there is no drawdown, it will add another buy. And we go now with this buy. I don't want to give much about this video because I do believe now you understand the difference between the old one and the new ones. So the new ones has a lot of advantage and it gets into the market at the right time. It trades the POI and the engineer liquidity. Those two areas are so reliable and they are so profitable, more than 90% accuracy. So that is how it is now for our advanced system. And I'm saying you can get the Pips Hunter Gold. Join us on our Telegram and see the daily result that we share there from our system. And you will enjoy more than ever. As we are ending this year, we are proud of ourselves because DFX company now, it is beyond the CMC or advanced CMC trading. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.